So for your work schedule, can be part-time or full-time. Okay, when you say full-time, you're working 40 hours per week. When you say part-time, usually that is 20 hours per week. 1, 2, 3, 4. But there are clients also who just needs you like 10 hours per week. Okay, that would be like 2 hours per day. So most probably they just need, some simple admin stuff, or they just need something posted on their Facebook or their Instagram or something like that. Your working hours would be like, for example, 8 a.m. Eastern time to like 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. Eastern time. So that's fixed, okay? So when you say flexible, so meaning you can work Central Time, you can work Eastern Time. So ang flexible one is usually you're working for multiple clients, or if the client just needs you like on call, you will just go online if the client needs. If the client needs a meeting from you, that's the time that you're going online. We will say flexible if you can finish your task, like you don't want to work at night. You can finish the whole week's task for like 5 hours Monday or Tuesday. So that's flexibility. You're working on your own pace. That's something like that. So we also have long-term or short-term, still a work schedule. So long-term meaning kayo nag-sign ni client na project basis only. For example, I need an admin assistant or a social media manager for 3 months only. So that would be short-term. So long-term again, wala siyang end time na nilagay. They will always say an assistant. So okay, it's still an assistant. So yeah. So that would be long-term or short-term.